in Coding Minds Python 1 class. The popular board game Monopoly inspired me to recreate it in Python code. I learned how to use variables and if statements. For variables, I made variables to keep track of the position for both player 1 and player 2, and for the money of both the players. With if statements, I checked in a while loop for the price of the tile that the player landed on, and / or the rent, which if it was another player's property. And I use nested conditionals, which is another if statement inside an if statement, for if it was someone else's, and then also if it wasn't owned and if the player wanted to buy it. An example of a dictionary that I used is I use a dictionary for the tiles of the board, and it contains all the information like the name, the price, the rent, the owner, and where it is on the board, and also if and else statements to buy, which uses the N key, and not to buy, which is the N key. And then here is a demo of the game in action. My favorite thing was spending time with a fun teacher and learning how to code. Okay. Sure. I would continue reading the favorite. Oh, okay. Uh, sure. Okay. Another one of my favorite things was having to think outside of the box and using different parts of code to make the games work. Three things I could do to improve my project are to learn more about Pygame, which is an essential backbone of Python coding, and increase my coding vocabulary so I can create uh, more interesting stuff in the code and in the game, and to spend more time coding to get more used to it.